Now, Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust with 31 Triple Doppler.
Okay, we are finally thawing out.
Yes.
A lot of moisture, though, still on the ground, and we've got even more rain coming our way.
Yeah, so the winter weather behind us this week. We're looking forward to warmer temps, but it's going to be a lot of rain and probably too much at once.
Ooh.
Yeah, so I hate to do this, but we have issued a 31 alert day for Wednesday for the potential of excessive rainfall that could lead to flash flooding. This will be a threat for all of us in North Alabama and southern Tennessee. It's most likely to be an issue late Wednesday, perhaps Wednesday night, even into Thursday morning. It will be a possibility as well. I'm going to walk you through those big threats coming up here in just a moment. But let's start with what's going on right now. A much better day today with temperatures right around 50 degrees. Not seeing any snow on the ground in Huntsville, Decatur, or in Guntersville. Still seeing some of that snow cover on the grass and a little bit of the pavement over in the shoals. Still need a couple more warm days out in northwest Alabama before we can get rid of all that ice and snow for good. Here's the good news. We are not anticipating any sub-freezing temperatures for the rest of this week, including tonight. Temperatures will stay put in the 40s throughout the night tonight under mostly cloudy skies. We are dry this evening. We are dry right now on 31 Triple Doppler, but that's going to change late tonight. Future radar shows that after midnight, we'll start to see some light rainfall move toward the shoals right around 3 a.m. or so, trickling eastward into parts of north central Alabama like Huntsville and Decatur right around drive time on Tuesday morning. This is not going to be heavy at all. It is not going to cause any flood issues whatsoever. Just a little bit of rainfall to deal with early Tuesday, and that should clear out by lunchtime through Tuesday afternoon for the majority of us. So really tomorrow is not going to be a bad day. It will be warmer with temperatures climbing to the mid and upper 50s for us across North Alabama, continuing to help aid in that snow and ice melt that we desperately need. Here's the problem. What's coming our way on Tuesday night, Wednesday into Thursday? Heavy rain expected for everyone, especially on Wednesday. It's not just going to be rain, but potentially some non-severe storms in the mix that may enhance that heavy rainfall that we could see at times during that stretch. This looks like it's going to continue, at least to some extent, on Thursday. So we're going to just be soaked with rainfall for that 2-day stretch for us in North Alabama. I expect us to catch a break in most spots on Friday, and then additional rain may be possible on Saturday. Here is a look at the reason we have the 31 alert day. There is a level 3 out of 4 risk for flash flooding in northwest Alabama. So we often show the maps that have those severe weather risks issued by the Storm Prediction Center. This is similar, except it's on a 1 to 4 scale here. 3 out of 4 risk for those near and west of I-65, level 2 out of 4 risk for the rest of us. So really it's northwest Alabama that has the primary concern for flash flooding. Could see up to 4 inches of rain in a 24-hour time frame for those folks. Between now and Saturday, so the next 5 days, it is possible there will be scattered rain totals in the 3 to 6 inch range. I think everyone's going to get a minimum of 2 inches of rain out of what we see this week. So it's going to be a wet stretch for us, no doubt about it. And it's going to be in particular Wednesday into early Thursday that we'll be watching closely for the possibility of flash flooding. That combined with, some melting snow may aid in that flood concern as well. Highs will be in the 60s from Wednesday through Saturday. We get a slight cool down next week, but not nearly as cold as what we dealt with last week. We're talking briefly highs in the 40s, but mainly in the 50s next week, which is pretty typical for this time of the year.
Oh gosh, another wild weather week ahead of us.
Does look, at least for now, that next week's going to be a lot quieter.
Okay, we will take that.
Yeah, we will.
Just day by day.
Yes.